Hi, my name is Kristiina Dickinson. I'm the Head of Admissions and Marketing here at Green School Bali. My role is to support families all the way through our admissions process to join us and settle in here at our school. Today, I'll be talking you through our admissions process and helping you navigate through the steps to enroll your children here at Green School Bali. Here's a step-by-step guide to joining us. Step 1. Get to know us, get to know our learning program. We encourage all families to get to know us more and see if we are the right school for your family. Explore the website, read through the admissions and learning program pages, and watch our videos about our unique learning program and experiences. These videos share in-depth information all about our learning program and projects, all the way from early years, primary school, middle school, and high school. All links can be found on our website here. We are an inclusive school, but we really look for students and families who want to make change in the world, whatever their background. Here are some things that we like to see in potential families. A passion for progressive education that blends the learning of knowledge with the mastery of skills and the nurturing of values. Curiosity and motivation, and learners with a love and interest in the natural world. An active commitment to learning, particularly for our older students who need to be responsible and motivated to take advantage of the opportunities that we offer here on the Green School campus. A desire to be part of the community, including respect for others, respect for Bali, and honouring our educators as professionals and experts. And a genuine readiness to make personal changes to help make our world more sustainable. Step 2. Submit your application. Submit your application through our Open Apply with us to review. To start your application, visit our website here and click Apply Now. Starting an application does not mean you need to commit to joining us, and every application is individually reviewed. The first step means that we can really get a conversation going and get to know each other. With an application and process, we can offer virtual events and send you information every step of the way, so you know what's going on at the school. And you get to meet some of our team here and the community who support new families like you from application all the way to the settling in process. We will support each step of the process and ask you to submit all relevant documents for our educators to review as you move through the process. We love getting to know each family along the way and to help you and us being the best fit for your child. Not quite ready yet? No problem. Click here to inquire now on our website to create a registration of interest on our Open Apply system, and we will keep in touch with you with our admissions newsletter. It is quite common for there to be a wait list for enrollment spaces at Green School Bali, as we've got limited spaces available and maintain a low teacher to student ratio. So the sooner a family gets their application started, the better. Once your application has been submitted, you will have access to a suite of communication touchpoints to help you guide you all the way to get here into Green School Bali. We offer monthly virtual calls, newsletters, and a closed Facebook group where you can connect with new and current families. We also have dedicated New Families microsite packed with resources and information and useful tips and guides to support you and your journey to join us here at school. Step 3. Application review. Your application is then reviewed by our educators and our admissions team. We have an intricate and in-depth process. We carefully review all applications and make sure Green School is the right fit for them. Our team will be in touch with you if and when your application is approved. We love sending those good news emails. Those are the 3 key steps to submitting your application with us here at Green School Bali. For any questions and queries related to the admissions process, please review the admissions page on our website at the link here. And please don't hesitate to contact us at admissions@greenschool.org. We wish you all the best and can't wait to welcome you here at Green School Bali.